Your Excellency, the President of Academy of Sciences, esteemed ministers, rectors, distinguished guests. Welcome to the inauguration of the Rector of Tallinn University. Today, Professor Priit Reiska will take the oath of office upon assuming the position of rector. My name is Anna-Mari Saks, a student of cultural studies and anthropology at Tallinn University, and I will be leading today's ceremonial proceedings. I would like to remind you that the university follows the old academic tradition according to which approval is expressed by shuffling one's feet rather than applauding. We will begin the ceremony with the national anthem of the Republic of Estonia. Today's ceremony is more than the inauguration of a leader. It's a moment that reflects the university's continuity, responsibility, and forward-looking mindset. A university is a place where knowledge is created that shapes society and where solutions to future challenges are developed through collaboration. I now invite the chairman of the Council of Tallinn University, Taavi Lauri, to deliver the opening remarks. Honorable President of the Republic of Estonia, ministers and the head of the Academy of Sciences, the rectors, all visitors and the family of the university. I'm pleased to welcome you because today is a day at Tallinn University when leadership is ceremoniously handed over to the newly elected rector for the next 5 years. For the university, this is a natural, ceremonial and reassuring occasion where the rector who has been elected is inaugurated after going through a fair and thorough election process together with 2 other worthy opposing candidates, conducted respectfully and without personal antagonism. If we look at society more broadly, then such an election process is already a value in itself and rather rare. Yet it helps explain why the academic freedom of Estonian universities ranks the absolute top in global comparisons. All the more reason for me to be glad to be here with you to preserve and carry forward these values while looking back on what has been done and contributing my good wishes for a better future. First of all, I would like to thank Rector Tõnu Viik for serving the university these 5 years in a more extended way than Tallinn University itself. It was noticed and it shows. I know that the work you did wasn't easy. But there's hope that before long, in your characteristic manner, you will joke and say, it certainly wasn't boring. Thank you. From here on, the future of Tallinn University is in the hands of Rector Priit Reiska, and that is why we are here today, to pass on all our good wishes and recommendations to him. And the Council also has its wishes. We hope that our assets will be managed well and generate income for us, that artificial intelligence will be on our side and managed by us and serve us. That artificial intelligence would not be working against us and that universities' cooperation with society and business would flourish. These are just a few wishes, and many more are surely to come. Therefore, one can hope that the leader of our clever way of life, you will be making choices that can be implemented and the results we will be seeing. To conclude, a personal wish as well. Priit, while you wholeheartedly and sincerely carry forward the cause of Tallinn University here in Estonia, do not become so serious that later on the island there is no room left for jokes. Wishing you all well. We will have the President of the Republic of Estonia for their speech. Dear Rector, esteemed professors, dear community of Tallinn University, we live in a time where learning seems easier than ever before. Thousands of online courses and educational videos are only a keystroke away. The moment where artificial intelligence may bring to our screens in Estonian any curriculum from any university, or serve as a personal tutor, offering us an individual study program based on any textbook in the world. There are even those who, on the basis of this, predict the demise of universities. Yet I am convinced that even in 10, 50 and 100 years, we will still have reason to gather among students and professors to celebrate universities and the academic spirit. The role of universities will not disappear because self-directed learning supported by technology only appears simple. In this way, one may indeed acquire narrow professional knowledge, but learning at a university, as we know, is much more than that. Here, professional identity, networks and values are formed. Practice and theory are connected. Cooperation skills and critical thinking are developed. By adapting itself, the university also helps the whole society not merely keep up with rapid change, but consciously guide it. From this perspective, learning is perhaps more difficult than ever before, because the rules for succeeding seem to change with every crisis and turning point. For precisely the same reason, however, learning is also more necessary than ever before, because the unknown is not feared by those whose minds have been sharpened and whose arsenal contains the accumulated wisdom of humankind. Tallinn University bears an even greater responsibility because future teachers are educated here. I have highlighted the role of education system and teachers in the success story of Estonia as a smart state at many meetings both inside and outside our country. Good teachers have brought us this far and will carry us further if we continue to equip them with the skills needed to preserve young people's creativity and curiosity, to ignite them with a passion for learning and to develop their ability to use their own real intelligence. All of this is exceptionally important already now when we are simultaneously facing several major transformations. Artificial intelligence is entering the classroom, special education needs must be supported better, and thousands of young people must be helped into the Estonian language and cultural space. Metacognition, integrated language and subject teaching, and inclusive education are only some of the topics whose need for evidence-based development I have picked up from my meeting in schools. Tallinn University has already contributed greatly to this. The Artificial Intelligence Education Program and transition to Estonian language education have progressed thanks to the contribution of your experts. Yet there may be no field in the world with more endless work than education. So far I've spoken about learning and teaching, but Tallinn University, after all, is also a research university. Through its crisis, the world itself continually reminds us that it needs the social sciences and humanities. It needs them in order to understand people, societies, cultures, and the relationships between them. Because it is often precisely in those relationships that the causes of tensions are found, tensions that may pull the world in a very different direction from what our achievements in natural sciences and technology would otherwise suggest. The causes, but also the solutions. In analyzing the problems of our society and higher education, the philosophical perspective of the outgoing rector has been highly valuable. Philosophical here does not mean lofty abstraction floating above reality, but rather a perspective that identifies fundamental questions, exposes hidden assumptions, and untangles habitual ways of thinking. In the research work of the incoming rector, we also find an appropriate metaphor. A concept map is a method that brings out the meaningful relationship between concepts. Drawing a concept may help place new knowledge into a coherent system together with existing knowledge, structures our understanding, and sometimes reveals new and unexpected interconnections. All of this helps us learn, make sense of things, and act meaningfully. And this is needed not only by young people sitting in classrooms and the teachers standing before them, but as a society, all of us, so that we do not lose our way in the surrounding confusion. Artificial intelligence may provide us with answers even more quickly. The task of the university is to help us understand these. Which questions are worth asking? Technology may make learning more accessible. The university helps transform learning into education and cultivation. Information may reach us instantly. The university helps organize knowledge into a system. I wish Tallinn University strength in this work. I wish you the ability to keep together on your concept map of science, teaching, and societal contribution, also academic freedom and academic responsibility, technology, the individual, and society. To conclude, just as the AI Leap application that has reached students does not provide answers directly but guides understanding by asking questions, I too would like to offer you some important questions for the years ahead. How do we teach in a way that ensures that young people do not lose their own power of their own thinking alongside AI? How to ensure that young teachers do not disappear from schools and the educational inequality does not deepen? How can the work of scientists reach those places in society where it can truly make a difference? Congratulations, Rector Priit Reiska. Congratulations, Tallinn University. We will have the Minister of Research and Education, Kristina Kallas, please.
Honorable President of the Republic, esteemed Professor Priit Reiska, respected Rector Tõnu Viik, members of the academic community of Tallinn University, dear students, guests and friends. I'm pleased to be here with you today on a meaningful day for Tallinn University. The transfer of the rector's chain of office is not merely a dignified academic ritual. It is a moment when the university looks in two directions at once, back with gratitude for what has been accomplished and forward with courage toward all that still awaits to be done. Tallinn University has a clear and distinctive identity in Estonia's educational and scientific landscape. Here, teacher education and humanities, social sciences, digital culture and arts and natural sciences and health studies come together. Here, people and the society, learning and development, culture and change are interpreted and understood. What is expected of universities? They expect to make sense of technological change, social tensions, and the resilience of the democracy. They are expected to ensure that science provides us not only with knowledge, but also with better decisions. These expectations are great, but great expectations are also a sign of trust. Professor Priit Reiska, your path as a scholar and leader has given you the knowledge and experience needed to meet these expectations. You have worked on the questions of how people learn, how knowledge is formed, how it can be made visible. This is a very important foundation for a rector. Leading a university also begins with understanding learning, not only how students learn, but also how an organization learns, how a state learns, and how a society learns. The rector must safeguard the university's academic freedom, strengthen the quality of research, value lecturers and researchers, listen to students, and stand for the university as a necessary, visible, and courageous partner to society. A university is not merely a mirror of a society, but it is also
Haridus- ja Teadusministeeriumi vaates on ülikoolid riigi kõige olulisemad
Ministry of Education and Research. Universities are the most important custodians of the nation's long-term vision. Governments change, budgets shift, political debates come and go. But the mission of the universities remains to seek truth, create knowledge, cultivate free thought, and provide society with people capable of taking responsibility. To fulfill this mission, a university must be demanding of itself, of its leadership, of its research, and its teaching. But it must also be caring, because university is not only strategies, curricular, research projects. A university is also students, lecturers, researchers, support staff, alumni. Every day a university is created through the work, trust, and dedication of these people. Today I would like to thank Rector Tõnu Viik for his work in leading Tallinn University. Leadership in the academic world is never simple, because universities are not led through commands, but through trust, intellectual strength, and persuasion. You have left the mark of this leadership culture on the university, and for this work you deserve sincere thanks. Professor Priit Reiska, in your new position, I wish you the wisdom to distinguish what is important from what is merely urgent, the courage to make decisions even when not all the answers are yet known, and the patience to keep together people and viewpoints that differ from one another. I wish you a strong team demanding partners in tough, honest debates. I hope that under your leadership, Tallinn University will be a place where becoming a teacher is regarded as an honor, where research is connected with society, where humanities and natural sciences speak to one another, where students truly feel included. Dear people of Tallinn University, the strength of a university does not rest solely on the rector's shoulders. The rector provides direction, but the community that carries the university forward. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter, but this chapter will be written by everyone who studies, teaches, researches, leads, supports, and creates here. I wish Tallinn University much courage, broad-minded thinking, and calm self-confidence. I hope this university will continue to be one of the important centers of education. Congratulations, Tallinn University and Rector Priit Reiska. Thank you.
Iga ülikooli teekond on katkematu. Inimesed vahetuvad, kuid mõte ja vaim.
Every university's journey is continuous. People change, but the idea and spirit endure. Leadership does not merely mean making decisions, but also providing directions, upholding values, and passing them to future generations. Please welcome to the stage our outgoing rector, Professor Tõnu Viik.
Austatud Eesti Vabariigi president,
Dear
ministrid,
President of the Republic of Estonia,
Akadeemia
Minister, the
president,
President of the Academy of
rektorid,
Sciences, my dear friends, the rectors,
kolleegid,
colleagues,
üliõpilased
students,
ja kogu
and
Tallinna
the whole
ülikooli
Tallinn
pere.
University family.
aga muidugi ka
but also
Tallinna Ülikooli Pai,
the spirit of
kes on
Tallinn
samuti
University, who is
ja
also
uue
flying
rektori
about
esimest päeva
and
tunnistab.
witnessing the first day of the new rector.
Meie
Our
ülikooli ajaloo
university's
oluliseks verstapostiks
history,
oli
the important step
2005.
was in
18. märtsi
2005,
Riigikogu hääletus,
18th of March, Parliament
millega anti
voting,
nimi
which named
kõige laiaulatuslikumale ühinemisprotsessile
biggest
Eesti kõrghariduse ajal.
merger in the
Otsuse
education in
poolt
Estonia.
hääletas toona
62
ja vastu
voted
20
for
Riigikogu
and
liiget.
20 members of parliament voted against.
Priit Reiska on meie ülikooli
is-
lühikese, ent kuulsusrikka ajaloo
Is the fifth rector of our university's history, and he is managing a mission that also means standing up for Estonian education and the Tallinn University. It seems to me
Tallinna
that
ülikooli
the
loomine
creation of
on
Tallinn University
hariduse
in the
valdkonnas
field of
olnud üks
education
kõige
has been one of the
nähtavam
most
ja kõige enam
visible
ühiskondlikku
and
poleemikat tekitav otsus
topical
taasiseseisvunud Eestis,
decisions in the newly
millega
independent
tehti
Estonia
panus sellele,
that contributed
et kõrgharidust
to
oleks
the
Eestis
fact that we
rohkem,
had more
see
higher
jõuaks
education in Estonia,
enamateni
it would reach more
ning
people,
et
and that
teaduspõhise mõtlemise
research-based
hääl kõlaks
thinking would
mitmest suust ja mitmest kohast.
be echoed by more people.
Nagu teame,
As we
pole
know,
vaidlus
the
selle üle, kas
dispute over
kõrgharidust
whether
on vaja rohkem
we
või
need
vähem,
more or less
tänaseks
higher
sugugi
education
vaibunud.
is still topical.
Ikka ja jälle
Here
kõlavad
and now,
avalikus debatis
public debate
hääled,
focuses
et
on
äkki piisab
people
vähemast,
who think that
äkki
maybe
saab
we could do
odavamalt,
less, maybe we could do
äkki teeks
cheaper,
rohkem rakendus-
maybe we
kõrgharidust
should
ja
have
kutseõpet.
more vocational
Ja see viimane on
education
õige.
and applied
Peabki tegema.
education. And it's correct,
Peabki
yes, we
tegema
should.
senisest rohkem,
We
aga
should do
kõrgharidust
more,
samuti.
but also more
Aeg
higher
on selline.
education because times are these.
Aga
However,
oma noorusest ja sünniloost sõltuvalt
depending
peame
on
meie
our youth
rohkem kui
and
teised
our background,
avalik-õiguslikud ülikoolid
we
aeg-ajalt
more
tegelema enda ja
than other
ülikooli hariduse
universities need to
õigustamisega
justify
ja seetõttu oleme
our
esimesed,
education and
kes
therefore
nendele
be the
kas
first
vähem
ones
ja
who
odavamalt ei saaks küsimustele
to
vastavad.
answer those who ask, can we do less and
Me
cheaper?
peame veenma neid,
We need to convince
kes ei
those
näe
who don't
väärtust
see the value
ülikoolide institutsionaalses
in
mitmekesisuses
the
ja igatsevad
plurality
üht-teist
of the
ülikooli.
institutional of
Neid,
the
kellel on
university,
kitsalt
and
majanduskeskne vaade
and to
ühiskonnale ja
those who
näevad
just see the
ülikoolide
economic point of view of
funktsiooni ainult
universities, and to
tööjõuturu
whom
sisendit vormiva
the function
instrumendina.
of universities just to
Ja
enter
neid,
the labor
kes
market,
lihtsalt
and to
kõrgharidusse
those
ei
who
usu.
just don't believe in higher education.
See viimane
The last
on tegelikult peamine
is
küsimus.
actually the main question.
See on küsimus
It's a
sellest,
question
kas
about whether
kõrgharidus
higher
muudab inimese
education
elu
changes the
nii
life of a
vaimses
person
kui
both
materiaalses
in a
plaanis
mental and
või mitte.
material way or not.
Ja see on
And this
küsimus
is a question
teaduspõhise
to research-based
elukorralduse
organization of
teiste
life and
viiside
its
ees
advantages
maailmast aru
to
saada
other
ja
lifestyles
selles
in
orienteeruda.
understanding the world.
Ning neile
And
küsimustele ei pea
you
vastama
don't
usupõhiselt,
need to answer these questions
Meil on andmeid nende
religion-based.
muutuste
We
kohta,
need
mis puudutavad
we have
inimese
data
sissetuleku, tervise
about people's
ja heaolu
income, health and
sõltuvust
well-being,
hariduse
and it being linked
Ja
to
meil on
the
näide
education.
hiljutisest
And we also have
ajaloost.
example from recent history.
Koroonakriisi
During
ajal
the
ei osanud
COVID
millelegi peale
crisis,
teaduse
we
toetuda.
could not rely on
Ei
anything
räägitud
other
esivanemate
than
tarkusest ega messia
science.
tulekust,
We didn't talk
vaid
about the
valitsus
ancestral
moodustas teadlastest
wisdom,
koosneva nõukoja,
but the
et
government
väljakutsele
formed a
vastu
council of
astuda.
scientists to step up to this challenge.
Ülikool
The
on midagi
university
enamat
is
kui
more
tööjõuturu sisendit
than
vormiv instrument.
something that forms the
Ta on
input to
ruum
labor market.
ühele
It's a room to
erilisele
a special
mõtlemise viisile,
way of
mida me
thinking that
kutsume
we call
teaduslikuks või
scientific or
tõenduspõhiseks.
evidence-based.
See on koht,
It's
kus
a
proovitakse
place
teadmisi
where
eristada
knowledge can
soovmõtlemise
be distinguished from
meelitavatest
wishful thinking,
ja kus
and
isegi
where
teistes
even in other
eluvaldkondades nii
fields
kallis
of life
demokraatia printsiip
the
kaotab kehtivuse.
principle of democracy will become
Ülikoolis ei ole
unvalid.
õigusseisukohal,
University
mille pooldajaid
does
on
not
rohkem,
support
või mis
for
suurema
a
hulga
statement
inimeste
supported
südameid
by
rohkem
more
paitab,
people,
vaid
but
ainult
only
sellisel, mis
in
põhineb
those statements
faktidel,
that are
toetub
factual,
andmetele,
data-based,
on loogiliselt järeldatud
are
ja
logical
pädevalt
and
argumenteeritud.
competently argumented.
mõtteviisi areng,
And the development of such way of
õpetamine
thinking,
ja levik
teaching it,
on ülikooli
is the
ülesanne
task
ja
of a
peamine
university
kasu,
and
mida
main
ühiskond
benefit
ülikoolist
that the
saab.
society will gain from the university.
Mõistagi peab ülikool
But
ka ise
university
olema
also
selle
needs
ülesande
to be
kõrgusel
up to this task.
ning nii selle
And both
kui
that and
ühiskonna
the
ja poliitikute
societal
veenmise
and
eest seisab nüüd
convincing
rektor
politicians,
Priit Reiska.
Priit Reiska will be
Palju
standing
jõudu
up
sulle,
for.
Priit! selles töös.
all the best with
Ja
that, Priit Reiska,
nagu
in
siin
this
enne
work. And
öeldudki,
as said before,
sama palju soovin
I
sulle
also
seda, et
wish
sa ei tunneks
you
ennast
wouldn't
selle
feel
missiooni täitmise ees üksiseisvat.
alone in
Me
this
peame selle
mission.
ette võtma kogu
We need to
ülikooli
do it
perega
with the
ja ma tean
academic
väga hästi,
family,
et
and I know very
kolleegid
well that
rektorid
my
on
colleagues
sinuga selles
rectors
samuti
also
ühised.
agree.
Ja kui
And
nüüd
now,
tänast sündmust maja seest
if we look
vaadata,
at today's
siis
events,
ülikoolile
then
on uue rektori valimine
the
alati
election of a new
elevust
rector
tekitav
to a
hetk, kus
university is always a
kõik
very
lootused
exciting
ja
moment where all
ootused
hopes and
äkki ühte
expectations
punkti
are
kontsentreeruvad.
focused into one point.
Kas lõpuks ometi
Do we
tuleb rektor,
finally have a
kes
rector who
lahendab
will
ära meie
solve our
probleemid ja
problems
vabastab
and
meid
releases us
kannatustest?
from suffering?
Kas ta
Will they
lagundab lõpuks ometi
demolish the
bürokraatia ja kõik muu, mis on
bureaucracy and
tüütu?
everything else that is annoying?
Kas ta teeb nii, et
Will he
ülikoolis
do so
töötamisega ei
that
kaasneks stressi?
the working at a university wouldn't
Kas
be
ta arvestab
stressful?
mõistlike
Will he
ettepanekutega,
consider
mis
proposals
nad tulevad minult?
that come from me, for example?
Kas ta pakub
Will
tuge
he
ja
provide
toetust
support
kõikidele oma
to all his
kolleegidele ning
colleagues and
inspireerib uueks
inspire
võitudeks ka neid,
those for
kellele
new
pole seni vaim
victories
peale
who
tulnud?
haven't been ready to do it until now?
Ja kui ta nüüd juba rektoriks sai,
And when he
kas ta
became
siis
the
ei võiks
rector,
lõpuks ometi ära teha
could
kõik need
he
head
also
otsused,
make all these good
mis on oma aega
decisions
oodanud?
that have been on standby
Tasandaks
and would level
tugiüksuste ja
the,
akadeemiliste töötajate vahelised suhted.
relationship with foreign support
Muudaks
units and
ülikooli
academic staff, would change
töötamise
the
sujuvaks,
work smooth.
akadeemiliste töötajate
Academic
soovidest lähtuvaks,
staff can express their
samas kõigiga
wishes
arvestatavaks
and
ning
would
lihtsaks ja
be a
loogiliseks.
solution where everyone's opinion is considered
Ning teeks
and
valitsusele
would
lõplikult selgeks, kui
convince the
tähtsat ja
government
olulist
how
tööd me siin kõik
important
teeme.
the work that we do here is
Üks asi veel, ja oleks iga kord
and would
kohal,
be
kui
present
meie
every
üksuses
time
midagi
if
olulist
something
toimub.
happens important in our unit.
Ei ole ju liiga
It's
palju
not too
tahetud
much to
teha.
ask, is it?
Aga armas
But dear
Priit,
Priit,
ära tee siit valesid
do not
järeldusi.
make the wrong assumptions.
Rektori töö
The rector's work also includes a lot of adventures,
uusi põnevaid
new
tutvusi,
exciting acquaintances,
rõõmu oma
joy
meeskonna ja
about
ülikooli
your
inimeste
team
toimetamisest,
and the people of the
mõistmisest,
university,
toetusest.
understanding, support.
Me elame
We
põnevusega kaasa sinu
do
uutele sammudele ja hoiame sulle pöialt.
Look at your new steps and we'll
Iga
be crossing
rektor
our
peab
fingers
ju
for
just
you.
nimelt
Each
enda
rector must
tugevusi
need
rakendama ning et seda teha
implement their
tuleb
own
vähemalt osa
strengths.
asju teha teisiti,
And in
kui
order
seda
to
eelmine
do that,
rektor
they
tegi.
need to do
See on
certain things differently
mõistetav
than
ja
the previous
vajalik.
rector. This is completely understandable and necessary.
Tahaks sulle
I would
selle juurde muidugi
also
öelda,
like to
et
add
mitte
that
miski ei mõju
nothing
tervistavamalt
is
ja
more
noorendavamalt kui
rejuvenating
töö ülikooli
than
rektorina.
work as the rector of a
aga
university,
tõenduspõhiseid
but
andmeid
I don't
selle
have any
väite kohta ei ole.
evidence-based data to prove that.
Võta siis
So
oma
please
valitud teekonnale palun kaasa see
take
tunne
the
ja
feeling
teadmine,
to
et me
your
oleme
journey
ülikooliga
that
sinu selja
we
taga
stand
ja
behind
toetame
you
sind
and we
kindlasti palju
support you
rohkemaga
with
kui
much
see, et
more
osundame
than
paremalt ja
we
kriitiliselt
point
sinu
out
vigadele.
your mistakes.
Ja üks
And
lõpetussõna
one
veel,
little
ära siis
teaching
unusta
as well,
suhelda
don't not
Tallinna Ülikooli
forget
vaimuga.
to have
Palju
a
edu
communication
ja
with the
õnnestumisi.
spirit of Tallinn
Elagu
University,
Tallinna
all
Ülikool,
the successes,
elagu selle
long
rektor
live
Priit
Tallinn
Reiska.
University, long
Vivat
live Priit
Akadeemia.
Reiska.
Enne veel, kui me jõuame tänase kõige pidulikuma
Before we will arrive
peatume
at the
hetkeks ja
most
laseme
important
muusikal
part of
kõlada.
today's ceremony, let us pause for a moment to allow the music to carry us away, performed by the Tallinn University Symphony Orchestra, a piece by Liidi Auster, conducted by Martin Sildos.
Ja nüüd palun rektori ametivannet
And now I invite Professor Priit Reiska to take the rector's oath of office. And the President of the Republic of Estonia, Alar Karis, together with the outgoing rector, Professor Tõnu Viik, to confer the rector's chain of office.
Asudes täitma Tallinna Ülikooli rektori
In assuming the duties of the rector of Tallinn University, I commit myself to upholding the laws of the Republic of Estonia, the statutes of Tallinn University, and the principles of good academic practice. I pledge to carry out my office with dignity and integrity and to work to the best of my ability for the development and well-being of the university.
Aitäh, Vabariigi President, aitäh, Tõnu Viik.
Thank you very much, President of the Republic and Tõnu Viik. Now the inauguration speech by Professor Priit Reiska.
Austatud
President, esteemed Minister of Education and Research, Minister of Culture,
Teaduste Akadeemia president
of the Academy of Sciences, rectors, colleagues, students, alumni, friends.
Mis on erinevad ametist lahkuval rektoril?
What is the difference between rectors who leave office and step into office? The leaving rector is capable of making good jokes also in a very academic situations. I still need to learn more of this and I will start with joking from Saaremaa and continue here later. When I stepped off a bus in Kiel on 5th of December 1993, I did not know yet that this would mark the beginning of my new academic life. In all our lives, there are certain years, months and days that shape our future more than others. And this is precisely about becoming what I would like to talk about today. 2 years before that date, I had chosen one of Estonia's finest theoretical physicists, Professor Romi Mankin, as the supervisor of my paper. Professor Mankin was a man with such a stern manner and voice that even the boldest students would feel their knees tremble. But I thought myself better that writing the thesis will be difficult, then defending will be easier. And indeed, that happened. Professor Mankin had a collaborator and friend at the University of Kiel, Professor Helmut Danke. I never personally heard the discussions between these two professors, but as a result, Professor Helmut Danke drove me from Kiel bus station to the university dormitory. On the afternoon of 5th of December 1993, after completing my doctoral studies and defending my thesis at the University of Kiel, I had to make a decision whether to remain in Germany or return to Estonia. I remember clearly that I was thinking that if I would not return now, I would never return at all, and that was not what I wanted. After returning to Estonia, I spent a year doing research, and then rector of Tallinna Pedagogical University, Mati Heidmets, asked me whether I would like to try serving as Dean of the Faculty of Educational Sciences. I did. In 2007 I was elected professor and I continued my academic work until on 3rd of January 2009, my birthday, the rector of Tallinn University, Rein Raud, called me and asked, Priit, would you like to become vice rector for academic affairs? I did. First for 2 years and then another 10 years in Tiit Land's rectorate. After that, I no longer wanted to. I returned to work as a professor. Last summer, Rector Tõnu Viik announced his decision to not run for second term. He encouraged everyone who had the desire, ideas and courage to take this path. I had desire, the ideas and the courage. You noticed that I did not only mention dates and years, I also mentioned people because on the path of a person development, the most important role is played by other people. My academic fathers are Professor Romi Mankin and Professor Helmut Danke. They shaped my academic career, and I'm so pleased that Professor Helmut Danke is here also today. University's previous rectors, Mati Heidmets, Rein Raud, Tiit Land, Tõnu Viik, my long-time colleagues Eve Eisenschmidt and Katri Ligas, my long-standing cooperation partner from the University of Tartu, Miia Rennikmäe, and many others have played an important role in my development. Thanks to them, I am able today to accept the greatest honor of my life, the position of rector of Tallinna University. And I'm also very grateful to my parents who have guided and have been guidelines for me. And I'm also very grateful to my loved ones. Why am I talking about all this? Because first I would like to express my gratitude, and as every person has its history, also organizations have their past with dates and people. For Tallinn University, the unquestionably most important date is 15th of May 2005. That is the day when Tallinn University was established. But as we all know, Tallinn University did not emerge out of nowhere. It was formed by very many different institutions. And creation of Tallinn University gave us an opportunity to begin with an entirely new story with completely new possibilities. Dear University family, I believe we have made very good use of these opportunities. Very many people, former and current colleagues and students alike, have contributed to our development. I want to thank you all for your contribution. And I also wish to thank you for the support you have shown me by electing me rector and by coming here today. It demonstrates trust, but also high expectations, and I am ready to meet those expectations.
Kuid suurepäraseks ülikooliks olemiseks ei piisa ainult meie enda pingutustest.
But being an excellent university does not depend solely on our own efforts. It is also extremely important for us to have good friends and partners outside the university. Recently I attended an international conference on impact of artificial intelligence, and one of Germany's leading universities mentioned Estonia alongside the United States. And specifically in connection with the AI Leap initiative. Honorable President of the Republic, the AI Leap initiative launched by you has once again brought Estonia into the international spotlight as a pioneering country in education, and I hope that Tallinn University can be a good partner in this initiative. Last week I read the opinion of the Minister of Education that in the age of artificial intelligence we will need more teachers, not fewer. I fully agree. Esteemed Minister of Education and Research, Estonian higher education faces decisive choices. These choices will determine whether our higher education system will continue to be the driving force of Estonian society. For my part, I promise to work so that Tallinn University will remain a reliable and strong partner for the state. The debates of recent years of higher education funding have shown how important it is that the voice of universities is heard together. Esteemed rectors, we share a common responsibility to demonstrate that higher education is not merely an issue of concerning universities, but an issue concerning the future of Estonian society. What are our challenges? I will talk about three of them. First, by now it's clear that for everyone that artificial intelligence is transforming our educational life from kindergartens to universities. Most likely artificial intelligence will change professions and knowledge, but it would be mistaken to believe that artificial intelligence will replace people. That we will no longer need as many doctors, creative professionals, teachers. These professionals are needed. Those people are needed. The greatest mistakes we could make right now would be to think that the arrival of artificial intelligence means that education is not necessary. That is not true. Second, over the next 5 years, the number of young people of higher education age will grow by nearly 25%. And at the same time, funding will decrease. Shall we fail to take advantage of rare opportunity created by demographic growth? No, we will have to make choices. Do we want to give this generation the chance to educate itself, or will we accept that many of them will be forced into jobs with lower added value? Yesterday, intense negotiations over administrative agreements came to an end. The agreements were signed, but the funding problem remained. These negotiations once again showed how difficult it is to find a balance between the state's capabilities and the actual needs of higher education. Why? It is because universities are asking the states for money that the state cannot provide. I believe this is the wrong perspective. Funding higher education cannot be treated merely as an expense. We should rather think what is the added value that higher education gives. Because the value of higher education lies not only in measurable economic growth, although this is also important, because the task of universities is also to preserve and develop fields whose impact is not always direct, but that is indispensable for Estonian society. For what would Estonia be without its culture, its own language and scholarships? And it would be difficult to imagine Estonia without education provided in history, philosophy and other arts. What would happen to Estonia if it would not happen any longer? Universities bear responsibility in front of Estonia, responsibility to ensure that Estonian society would be intelligent, innovative and so little stratified as possible. And third, Tallinn University is a very young university.
ei ole selget
ja often
valdkondlikku
hear
fookust,
people
te
ask,
pole ka
who
traditsiooniline
exactly are
ülikool.
you?
Võiks öelda,
You
et
do
me
not
peame
have
ennast tõestama
clearly
rohkem
defined
kui
disciplinary
teised Eesti
focus.
ülikoolid. Kuid ma olen nõus, et me peame
And
senisest
I
selgemalt
do
sõnastama
agree
oma
that
identiteedi.
we must
Meil avaneb sellest ka kohe
articulate
väga hea
our
võimalus.
identity in a
Hakkame
more
looma
clear
ülikooli
way.
uut arengukava.
We now have a very good
See peab olema
opportunity to
protsess,
do so.
kus kogu
We
meie
are about
ülikooli
to
pere
begin
saab kaasa
creating
rääkida.
the
Ja
university's
kus
new
enam toetust
development
saanud
plan,
ideed
and
peavad ka
this
kirja
must
saama.
be a process
Ma
in
pakun ka
which
omalt
our
poolt ühe
entire
mõtte
university
Tallinna
family can
ülikooli
participate.
tuleviku üle arutlemiseks.
And I would also like to offer an idea
Kuidas saavutada seda, et
in
meie
discussing
lõpetaja saab hästi
about the
hakkama
future
5,
of
10,
Tallinn
aga 20
University.
aasta pärast.
How can we
Olen
ensure
veendunud,
that our
et tulevikus
graduates
saavad
will
paremini
cope
hakkama
well
need,
not
kellel
only
on
in
lisaks oma
5 but also in
eriala
10 and
ka
20
arusaam
years?
teiste
I'm
valdkondade
convinced
toimimisest
that in the
ning
future
võime
those who
tulla
will manage
toime
best
uutes ja
are
muutuvates
those who
olukordades.
in addition
See tähendab
to
teha
their own
see tähendab
knowledge
oskust
also
teha
understand
koostööd, mõista
other
erinevate
fields
taustaga
of
inimesi
function and are
ja mõelda
capable of
kriitiliselt.
coping in changing
Määravaks saab
situation,
see, kas
which
inimesel on
means
kujunenud võime olla iseseisev ja
what will be
vastutustundlik
defining
mõtleja.
is that decisive will be
Kus
whether
see võiks olla
person
Tallinna Ülikooli
has
tugevus,
developed the
meie
ability
identiteet.
to think independently
Ülikool,
in
mille
a
haridus
responsible
ajas
way.
kõige
This
kauem kestab.
could be Tallinn University's
100
strength.
sõna Eesti Vabariigile, jäätmevaba elu, kaasav elu,
for the
koeraelu,
Republic of Estonia,
samblasei,
waste-free
turvaline koolitee,
life, inclusive
ülikooliaeg,
life, a
vabad
dog's
käed.
life,
Need
moss
on vaid mõned
wall,
näited
safe
sadadest
route to
eluprojektidest,
school.
mis on viimaste
These are
aastate
just a
jooksul
few
Tallinna
examples
Ülikoolis läbi
of hundreds of life
Arvan, et just
projects
sellised
that have
kogemused
been
aitavad
carried
kujundada
out
oskusi,
in Tallinn
millest
University
enne
over
kõnelesin.
recent years. I believe
Eluprojektid ja
it
ka
is
hüppeformaat
precisely
annavad võimaluse õppida
the
koostöös, eri
experiences
valdkondi ühendades
like
ja
these that
vastutust
develop
võttes.
the skills I spoke about
Kui üliõpilane
earlier.
on pidanud oma
Life
teadmisi
projects
rakendama,
and hüppe
arvestama
format
teiste
provide
vaatenurkadega
opportunities
ja
to
otsima lahendusi
learn
olukorras,
through
kus vastused ei ole ette
cooperation.
antud.
When a
Kujuneb tema
student
võime
has
tulla toime
had
uutes
to
ja
apply their
muutuvates
knowledge,
tingimustes.
consider other perspectives
Nii tekibki
and seek
see, mis on
solutions in
pikas vaates
situations
kõige
where
olulisem.
no ready-made
Oskus
answers
iseseisvalt
are
mõelda,
provided.
pidevalt juurde õppida
And it is
ja teha
important
koostööd.
to constantly learn more and to
Keegi ei
cooperate with
kahtle, et
others.
me oleme järjekordselt jõudnud suurte
No one
pööreste
doubts
ajastusse,
that we once
mille
again
läbivaks
have
omaduseks
entered
on
an
see,
era of
et
great
seni määratletud vastandpaarid
transformations,
enam ei kehti.
characterized by the fact that
Näiteks
previously
poliitikas ei ole enam
defined
selget vasak- ja
oppositions no
parempoolsust.
longer hold. In the same
Hariduse
way, for
valdkonnas
example, in
on viimastel
politics,
aastakümnetel
there is no
vastandatud
longer a clear
reaalteaduse ja
division between
humanitaariat,
left and right.
rakenduslikku ja
Likewise,
akadeemilist
in
haridust.
education over recent years,
Ma olen veendunud,
sciences
et
and
tulevikku
humanities
vaadates selline
applied and
vastandamine meid edasi ei
academic
vii.
education
Edukad
have
on
been
need,
set
kes suudavad
against
sellised
each
vastandused
other.
koostööks pöörata.
And I'm convinced that such
Selline koostööle
oppositions will not
suunatus
lead
viib meid
us
hariduseni,
forward.
mis kestab kauem.
Such a focus on
Hea
cooperation
ülikoolipere ja
leads
külalised.
us to education
Oma
that
valimisprogrammis
endures longer. Dear
sõnastasime 3
university
põhimõtet.
family
Vaba,
and guests,
õiglasem
I
ja seeläbi
have
ka mõjukam ülikool. Kuid eesmärk ei
formulated
saa
in
olla
my
ainult see,
election
et
platform
Tallinna Ülikool on mõjukam.
3 principles, a
Eesmärk on
freer
Eesti
and
ühiskonna
freer
areng
and
ja seda
also
saame
a
toetada
more
me vaid kõik
influential
koos.
university. This is something
Ilmselt ei ole siin
that
saalis
we
kedagi,
only
kes ei usu,
can
et
support
Eesti
together.
elu-
There is probably no
edu-
one
et
in this
Eesti edu
hall
alus on
who
haridus.
does not believe that
Tehisintellekti
the
ajastul muutub aga
education
haridus
is the
veelgi
foundation of
Mida
Estonia's
kiiremini
success.
maailm muutub,
In the age
seda
of
olulisem
artificial
on, et
intelligence,
inimestel oleks
however,
tugev
education
hariduslik
becomes
baas.
even more
Oskus
important.
mõista,
The
kohaneda,
faster the world
pidevalt
changes,
juurde
the more
õppida.
important it
See tähendab,
is
et ka kõrghariduse roll
to
ei
have a
vähene,
strong
vaid
educational
kasvab.
foundation, the ability to understand, adapt and continue learning.
Lõpuks jõuan
This
tagasi
means
mõtteni,
that
millest
the role
alustasin.
of higher
Ise
education
ja
will
kõik
not
meie
diminish
ümber
but
on
grow.
pidevas
Finally,
kujunemises.
I return to the
Ning
thought
igas kujunemisloos
with which
on
I
kandev
began.
roll
We ourselves and everything
Meie ülesanne on
around us
küsida,
are in constant
haridust
process
me
of
selles
becoming, and
kujunemisloos
in every
vajame?
story of
Minu
becoming,
vastus
people
on
play the
haridust,
central
mis
role.
aitab inimestel mõista,
Our task is to
kohaneda,
ask what kind of
vastutada
education
ja
we
koostööd
need
teha.
in this
Haridust,
story of
mis
becoming.
kestab
My
kauem.
answer
Igat
is an
akadeemiat.
education that helps people to understand, an education that lasts longer. Vivat Academia! Thank you.
Ülikool ei ole kunagi olnud vaikiv lehekülg.
A university has never been a silent page
Me oleme
in the book
siin,
of
et jätta
time.
oma
We are
jälg
here to leave our
ja olla
mark
osa
and to be a
sellest
part of the
loost
story
liikuda
that
edasi.
continues onward.
Meil esineb Tallinna Ülikooli
Performing
ühendkoor
is
ja
the Tallinna
sümfooniaorkester.
University
Kõlab
Combined
meie,
Choir and Symphony
muusikaautor
Orchestra. You will
Rasmus
hear
Puur,
Meie
sõnad Anna
by
Haava.
Rasmus Puur and
Dirigeerib
Anna
Martin
Haava.
Sildos.
You have taken a step that will lead you to adventures you cannot yet imagine, said the chair of the Student Union Board, Carmen Klaasen, at this year's opening ceremony. Please welcome to the stage for an address the chair of the Tallinn University Student Union Board, Carmen Klaasen. Dear Rector, dear university community, honored guests, it's a great honor to stand here today on behalf of the Student Union of Tallinn University and to bring you the students' perspective at this important moment. The Rector's inauguration does not only mark the appointment of one individual. It is a moment when the entire university looks toward the future and asks, what kind of education do we value in Estonia and what kind of society do we wish to build? Today, it is impossible to speak about the future of higher education in Estonia without addressing one of its increasingly pressing issues, the funding. In recent years, universities have stated ever more clearly that higher education in Estonia is underfunded. Although the state promised a few years ago to increase universities' operational funding, discussions have now reached the point where funding growth may stop after 2026. At the same time, costs are rising, expectations for quality, and there is a growing need to retain good lecturers and professors in Estonian universities. In the coming years, universities will face a demographic surge. This means that significantly more young people than before will wish to enter higher education. Competition will increase, but the question is not only about competition, it is about whether universities have sufficient resources to admit and educate these young people at high standard. At the same time, Estonia has set a goal that 45% of young people should attain higher education. This is a strategic objective that assumes the system is capable of admitting and supporting more people through graduation than it currently can. If funding does not grow alongside the number of students and rising expectation, a contradiction will inevitably emerge. Society expects more highly educated people, yet the system lacks the capacity to meet that expectation. This is not merely about numbers. In the state budget, these decisions directly affect students' learning experience, the quality of education, mental health support system, and ultimately whether young people see their future in Estonia. For students, university is not simply a place to obtain a degree. A university is a place where ideas, values, and the courage to change the world are formed. It is a place where people learn to think critically, take responsibility, and work together. That is why it is important that higher education is seen not as an expense, but as an investment in Estonia's future. Dear Rector Reiska, your role is not only to lead the university but also be an advocate for higher education at a time when the value of education increasingly needs to be defended and explained within society. Today's world is changing rapidly. AI, technological development, and societal uncertainty are presenting education with new challenges. Yet, this is precisely such moments that the role of universities becomes most important as bearers of knowledge, understanding, and humanity. As students, our expectation is that the university will not remain a mere observer of these changes, but will instead be a guiding force. And we expect that Tallinn University continuously is a place where the student voice is genuinely heard in these matters. A place where there's courage to experiment, innovate, and think big, even in difficult times. And more importantly, a place where both academic depth and creativity are supported, and most importantly, everyone should feel like they belong. Today, at this ceremonial moment, on behalf of the students, I wish you strength, wisdom, and an open mind. We hope that under your leadership, Tallinn University will become an even stronger community that stands courageously for both its students and the future of higher education in Estonia. Congratulations and success to you in this responsible role. Thank you.
Teadus on järjepidev otsing.
Science continues to seek to try to define the essence of life and expand the boundaries of knowledge. Please welcome for greetings President of Estonian Academy of Sciences, Mart Saarma.
Austatud Vabariigi
Honorable
President,
President,
lugupeetud ministrid,
ministers,
Riigikogu
members
liikmed,
of parliament,
rektorid,
rectors,
kolleegid
colleagues,
ja hea Tallinna Ülikooli
and
pere.
the academic family of Tallinn University.
Tahaksin võib-olla
I would
kõigepealt
first
alustada
like to
rektor Viigist.
start with Rector Viik,
Tänada teda
to
tehtud
thank
töö
him for all the work
eest
he's
ja
done
meeldiva
and for
koostöö.
pleasant cooperation.
Tõnul on olnud
Tõnu has
julgus
had the courage to
tõstatada
raise
teravaid küsimusi.
very difficult
Sest ilma seda
questions,
tegemata
because without
ja
doing
neid
that and without
lahendamata,
solving these,
me edasi ei
we
liigu.
cannot move forward.
Loomulikult olen ma
Of
siin,
course,
et
I'm here to
õnnitleda
congratulate
vasti inaugureeritud
the
uut
new
rektorit,
rector,
Priit
Priit
Reiskat,
Reiska,
soovimaks kogu
And I
Eesti
wish,
Teaduste Akadeemia ja teadlaskonna poolt,
on behalf of the Estonian Academy of Sciences
ja
and
jõudu.
scientific community, wish him all
olles ise
the
olnud
best.
uues ametis nüüd natuke
I've
rohkem kui
served as
1,5 aastat,
president myself
aga olles
of the Academy of Sciences
veidi
for just
vanem
over a year.
organisatsioonina kui Tallinna Ülikool,
So I can offer
võtan
you my
julguse
modest advice,
anda
but
veidi nõu.
because we are a bit older as an institution, so
Ja
I give you
üks
some
on
advice.
kindlasti see,
And one
et
thing
me
is that
peame
we
õppima
have
teaduse
to learn
ajaloost,
from the history of science from
ülikoolidest ja
universities and
akadeemiatest.
academies.
Teatavasti Bologna
The University
ülikool,
of Bologna
seda peetakse vanimaks
is
aastaks 88,
considered to be the oldest
siis
from
tuleb kohe
1088
järgi
and
Oxford,
followed by Oxford
1996
in
ja kõigepealt
1096 and soon after Cambridge.
ajaloolased vaidlevad,
Historians argue whether it wasn't Marocco Fez University, which is apparently from 859, but they consider it to be a spiritual religious institution. If you look at Oxford and Cambridge universities today, then we see that they are going, they follow science and evidence-based learning, and then also innovation. I think there's something to learn from those. Our own university, the Tartu University, was founded in 1632, and during the second half of the 19th century, you could say it was one of Europe's leading universities, if not one of the world's leading. Tartu University is still moving into a high international category, and I believe that we can also take some lessons from them. Your university is young, but it also brings many positives, because young means they're resilient, agile, eager, and they have the courage to do something new. And science means courage to do something new. Estonian Academy of Sciences is also young. The act was signed in 1938. And by law, we have to represent Estonian science. And I also have to mention our first president, microbiologist Karl Schlossmann's inauguration speech quote. No nation or state today should build its household on fairy tales and dreams, because reality has become a complex gear mechanism. With one wrong step, not only individual, but nations and states may break. And this is what happened. Our universities and our academy have quite a few challenges. First of them is the trust of people for science. The situation is quite good. 68% of people in Estonia trust our academy, and 73% they trust Estonian science. But in recent years, major changes have taken place due to social media. Misinformation has started to dominate. This concerns very fundamental facts, for example, the origin of life, vaccinations, climate change, and many other things.
teadlaste üles.
It's a task of scientists to inform the society of correct scientific facts, and it's also the role of basic education in natural sciences, which schools and universities should provide. Very much the field of research of the rector being inaugurated today is doing. I need to emphasize that science offers humanity a path to real solutions in face of major challenges. Yes, it needs a long-term work, dedicated work. And to conclude, which are the issues should we as scientists speak out more clearly? First, the role of science and innovation in Estonia's economy and development of our state. We can no longer continue speaking about economic growth without discussing where new competitive products and services will come from. We also must find a solution how to link universities, businesses and the state, and to increase the weight of science in political decision-making in order to make good and wise decisions. And to conclude, a rector of a university is like a captain of a ship. They need to know where they want to take their ship. They need to have a compass, more GPS these days. So both a technical and a personal GPS should be fixed or working order. Thank you for your attention. My heartfelt congratulations to the next rector and the whole university. Thank you.
Tema side Tallinna Ülikooliga ei lõppenud rektori ajaga.
The connection with Tallinn University didn't end with the time as a rector. It still contributed to the development of Estonian education. I would like to have the Rector Council Chairman and the Rector of Tallinn TalTech Tiitland.
Lugupeetud Tallinna Ülikooli rektor
Honorable Rector of Tallinn University, Priit Reiska. Dear Priit, you are stepping into the position of the rector at a moment of great responsibility. You show strength and courage. Tallinn University is not merely TLÜ, not only Estonia, but an island in the world of education and research. And the world is teeming with ambitions and expectations of every kind. It is surrounding capacity, people seek logic and clear connections in order to make even somewhat reasonable decisions. I would advise you, in your role as a rector, to follow your conscience in addition to drawing on your own experience as a lecturer, director, vice rector and acting rector. Yes, every university has its strategies, development plans and indicators. But finally, in the end, only the ideas you can truly turn into action are the ones you believe in. And ahead of you, there seem to be enormous opportunities and pathways. Large graduating classes are finishing secondary schools. They need to be educated and employed in Estonia. And there is another question. There is a great need for teachers that possess clear principles and sufficient knowledge to cope with the complexity of the world, to keep the flame of the spirit alive, the kind who understand what we truly need to teach in order to cope with life and remain human in every circumstance. It is precisely we, the rectors, who are responsible for ensuring that students grow into exceptional members of the society. After all, we want graduates who are able to stay one step ahead, not ask in astonishment how in the modern world how the world works.
arvamusartikleid kirjutama.
Naturally, our role is
samas endale
also to
kindlaks jääma.
increase trust
Samal ajal peame
in
ka meie
science,
otsima
in
ja
scientists
kahtlema,
and
et ainult nii
evidence-based
sünnib tõde.
decisions. And at the same time, we
On
must
hea
also
meel,
search
kolleeg Priit,
and doubt,
sinu
because
ees on kõik
only
need vahel isegi
in
võimatuna
that way
näivad
truth is
ülesanded.
born. I'm glad, colleague
Tean aga
Priit,
kindlalt, et
that
suudad.
all these tasks
Oled õpetaja
which
oma doktoritöölt ja ka loomult.
now lie before
Aga
you,
veel,
you will
oled hingelt ja
cope
kogemuselt
with.
spordimees.
But even more, you are in
Minus on
spirit
hasarti, platsi nägemist,
and in experience a
valmidus
sportsman.
väravaid
You
lüüa.
have drive, vision
Rektori mänguplats
on
on
the
suur, võin
field
kinnitada.
and readiness to
Hiigelsuur.
score goals.
Publikut on
And
palju,
the rector's playing
väljavilistajaid
field
varnast
is
võtta.
large and
Eksida
there
eriti ei
is
tohi.
a lot of
Need
audience,
hirmud tuleb aga ületada, rektor Priit.
but
Kui meile anti
the
välja,
fears must
saime
be
volida seda
overcome,
oma
Rector
mõistuse ja
Priit.
südame
When
kohaselt kasutada.
we were given the field,
Ning
we
kuna teame,
also
Priit,
are granted
su luulehuvist
the
siis,
freedom to use in
kolleegi
accordingly.
nõusul olgu
And
kullast
since
kallim,
we know, Priit, you are also
kui väljal
interested
näed
in
liig
poetry,
suurt või kantilise
then
võitu palli,
meie colleagues advise
me oleme su
be
kõrval
worth
tões ja
more than
hoos,
gold.
rektorite nõukogu mängib
When
ikka
on
koos.
the field you see
Soovin
two
sulle jõudu,
larger oddly
jaksu,
square
julgust ja
balls,
tervist.
we stand beside
Elagu
you
Tallinna
in truth
Ülikool,
and
elagu rektor
spirit.
Reist.
The Council of Rectors always plays as one team. I wish you strength and long live
palju
Tallinna
õnne ja edu
University
uuele
and
rektorile ja
Rector
rektoraadile ning
Reiska.
palju õnne ülikoolile. Järgnevalt olete kõik
Congratulations, the
rektor, professor
university,
Priit Reiska vastuvõtule
and you
Maare
now
aatriumisse. Meie tänast
waited
tseremooniat
to
jääb lõpetama Audeamus.
the reception in Maare building. And our today's ceremony will be finalized by Gaudeamus.